In this video, we will see what is code function and how we can use this. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. Code function in Microsoft Excel returns a numeric code for the first character in the given text string. This function is actually inverse of the char function. The char function returns a corresponding character from a numeric ASCII value. In case you wish to know more about char function, I have provided link in the description. Let's understand this function with a live example here. We have character X, A and P in cell A1, B1 and C1 respectively. We will find corresponding ASCII code of these characters. In cell A2, type equal to code open bracket A1 close bracket and hit enter. Copy cell A2 and paste in cell B2 and C2. That's it. We have got the ASCII code of corresponding characters. Although this function does not come handy in day-to-day need, but it is very useful in VBA coding. Thanks for watching. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not, but what matters is that you keep learning.